Hey guys, welcome to Tekoku. This is your Christopher. Let's get started. So, in this video, we're going to talk about the tripod Digitek DTR-520 BH. So, I have ordered this from Amazon and received this package 2 days earlier. I was really happy about the early delivery. That's because the previous tripod I was using was totally broken. So, it was not able to handle the zoom lenses and heavy loads, things like that. That's the reason you should get a good quality tripod. So if you are a beginner and looking for a good quality and budget friendly tripod, I would recommend you to have a look at this tripod Digitek DTR-520 BH. So it has all the features which other beginner tripods don't have. I will explain you all those features one by one later point of view in this video. So please watch this video till the end, which will give you a clear idea why you should get this tripod. So without any further delay, let's get into unboxing. So inside the box we have got some nice quality carry bag. This carry bag will be really useful to carry your tripod throughout the travel and the quality is really good. So before we go any further, let's talk about the specifications. The maximum load capacity is around 7 kilograms, which will be good enough to handle the heavy lenses. The weight is around 1440 grams. With all legs and header handle extended, this tripod can reach its maximum height 6.5 feet and the minimum height would be around 320 millimeter. This will be good for macro photography and videography. And this tripod has got a ball head. I will talk about it later while explaining the features of this tripod. Last but not least, this tripod is a collection of 4 sections, 3 for legs, one for header part of the tripod. Overall, the specifications are really good. As I have mentioned earlier, this tripod is loaded with some professional features. Now, let's talk about the features and how to set up this tripod for various purposes. First, let's talk about the ball head. This can be seen in professional tripods and Digitek DTR-520 BH has got it. Using this ball head, you can have a nice fluid motion like this, and using this, you can create cinematic panning shot which will make the video more cinematic and smooth. So this tripod has a capability of full 360-degree rotation. This tripod head can be rotated in clockwise and anti-clockwise easily. Using the angle ring, you can precisely rotate the head from 0 to 90 degree or 90 to 180 degree and 180 to 360 degree like that. So next we will talk about the overhead shot. The multipurpose head of this tripod provides this capability. So placing your camera up and pointing downwards vertically, focusing on a particular object or frame is called overhead shot. So this is a famous YouTube setup for product reviews, unboxing videos, and cooking and drawing tutorials and much more than that. So I personally bought this tripod for this capability. This tripod can be converted into a monopod. Sounds cool, isn't it? Having a monopod is great because we can carry and move around quickly for your photography and videography. So setting up the monopod is also really easy in this tripod. All you need to do is remove the header handle from the tripod like this and release the detachable monopod leg from the tripod like this. Now take the connection screw. This connection screw accessory is provided along with the box. Now connect the one end of the screw into a header handle like this. In the other end we have to connect the monopod leg like this. We don't need any special toolkit to assemble this. You can do it by your hands. It's really easy. Now the setup is done and the tripod is converted to monopod and the monopod is ready to use. Next, we will talk about the vertical shoot. This setup is really useful to create videos for social media sites. This tripod has got a slot to adjust the camera and set the camera vertically like this. So using this setup, we can shoot nice videos for your Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. So we can use the header handle like gimbal. As showed earlier, take out the header handle from the tripod and attach the camera to it. That's it, we are good to go. Using this, we can have a quick movement since we reduced a lot of weight from the tripod by taking out the header handle separately. So, if you are a traveler during your wild safari and a mountain trekking, this will be really helpful to capture something really quick. So next we will talk about the low level shooting. As mentioned earlier in the specification, the minimum operating height of this tripod is 320 millimeter. Means you can set up this tripod to capture nice low angle photos. To have this low angle setup in this tripod, take out the header handle from the top, turn upside down and push it from the bottom like this and tighten the header handle screw. That's it. So this setup is really useful for macro photography and videography, which will enhance the details of your photos and videos. So in this angle also, this tripod can have full 360-degree rotation. So next we'll talk about the rubberized legs. All three legs of this tripod has got the rubberized base which will make the tripod more stable and steady. Even on smooth indoor floors, these rubberized legs can stand with a good grip as it interacts well with the surface. So this is an important safety measure to protect your camera or lens from falling down when you place a tripod on uneven floors. So last but not least, this tripod has got a bubble head. When it comes to the tripod, bubble head is really important. When you accidentally place the tripod on uneven floors, we can use the bubble head indication to adjust the legs of the tripod to make it even. So this will be really helpful to set up your tripod with a perfect frame even when you shoot outdoor or even when the floors are not even. So this is a basic yet important feature a tripod must have. Guys, these are all the features of professional tripod which will generally cost you around 15 to 20k Indian rupees. For an example, if you take Monopod B free travel tripod, the aluminum version is 19k. So but Digitek DTR-520 BH is really budget friendly. It will only cost you around 5000 Indian rupees. In other words, we can say 70 to 75 US dollars. That's cool, isn't it? So this is not a paid promotion, guys, and there is no affiliate links in the description. This is purely my experience with this tripod. So I must say the quality is really good for this price range. As explained, it's loaded with lot of pro features. So this will be good for all YouTubers out there, beginner, even a professional photographer. For everyone, this will be really good. And after all, it's all your needs. So based on your need, I'm leaving the choice to you all. So I hope you all like this video. If you like it, hit the like button, share it with your friends if someone is looking for a tripod. So if you have any question regarding the setup and features of this tripod, please comment down below and I'll get back to you regarding your query. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Tech Goku and hit the bell icon next to it. So we'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, please wear mask and stay safe. Thank you.